Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Rafael BBA College, Vapi. With respect to the subject New Project Management in TYBBA SEM 5, we will be now continue with the unit number 2, that is Project Appraisal. Project Appraisal is an exercise whereby a lending financial institution makes an independent and objective assessment of various aspects of an investment proposition to arrive at the financial decision. This is done by allocating the term finance short by a promoter. Let us discuss meaning and definition of what is project appraisal. Meaning: the exercise of project appraisal simply means the assessment of a project in terms of its economic viability, social viability, and financial viability. Here, the viability means feasibility or suitability. This exercise is critical as it calls for a multi-dimensional analysis of the project, that is, a complete scanning of a project. Here, now the question is, who is appraiser? As I told you earlier, the lending institution, that is financial institution, and bank make a critical appraisal of projects which are submitted to them by the entrepreneurs for getting the loan. These term loans are offered by different financial institutions like IDBI, ICICI, IFCI, and various state level institutions also. They have traditionally been accepting the data provided by the entrepreneur as valid while assessing the project. In fact, the emphasis has largely been on the cash flow and financial feasibility of a project in assessing their suitability for extending the loans. Now, let us discuss definition of the project appraisal. Project appraisal can be defined as the promoter taking a second look critically and carefully at a project as presented by the promoter person who is in no way involved in or connected with its preparation and who is as such able to take an independent, dispassionate, and objective view of the project in its totality, as also in respect of its various components. The person who carries out appraisal or assessment of the project is usually an official from the financial institution or a term of institutional official. So, here a team can be also appointed for this appraisal, or single person may also appraisal. Since all lending activities involve risk in a small or large measure, project appraisal aim at sizing up the quality of the project and their long-term profitability, aim at minimizing the risk of lending by assessing the weaknesses and improving their quality by incorporating into them different safeguard or missed by the promoters either because of lack of knowledge or information. So here the conclusion is financial institution check or assess the project so that to take decision whether to approve the loan or not. Now let us discuss scope of appraisal. The appraisal of a project is undertaken by the financial institution with the twin objective of determining the market potential of the project and selecting an optimal strategy, that is, optimum utilization. The methods of analysis vary from project to project. Nevertheless, certain common aspects of the study from the angle of technology and engineering are with a mention below. These are choice of technical process or appropriate technology, technical collaboration arrangement if any, size and scale of operation, location aspects of the project, and availability of the infrastructural facilities, selection of plant, machinery, and equipment together with the background, competency, and capacity of machinery or equipment supplies, plant layout and factory buildings, technical engineering services, project design and network analysis for the assessment of project implementation schedules, aspects relating to effluent disposal, management of entry, utilization of byproducts, etc. need to be clarified here. Project cost and its comparison with the similar project based on technology, equipment, product mix, and time spread. Determination of the project cost estimates, profitability projection, etc., and sensitivity analysis. It must be remembered that the different aspects of the project are not independent entities but are highly interrelated, and meaningful project appraisal depend upon the appreciation of this fundamental fact. Now, let's discuss steps followed in a project appraisal. The main stages or steps in the system of project appraisal are: step number 1, economic. It indicates priority uses. Step number 2, technical. It involves scale of project and the process adopted. Step 3, organizational. It indicates suitability, which examined over here. Step number 4, managerial. Adequacy and competence or critical scrutiny of the managers take place here. Step number 5, operational. Capability of the project can be analyzed over here. Step number 6, that is financial, determines the financial viability for sound implementation and efficient operations. In the next one session, we will be going to discuss in detail all these 6 aspects because it may ask single aspect for 7 marks in a form of short note. Thank you, students.